Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can use OpenCode with Cursor and create any kind of project using AI completely for free without paying anything for Cursor. So for it, first of all, just install and open your Cursor. Then I am going to click here File, then click here Open Folder, and let me just create a folder over here. So let's say the folder name will be Cursor-OpenCode. You can name the folder name anything you want. So I'm going to select this folder, then click here select folder, and it will open the folder over here as you can see. So right now we're going to install OpenCode in this Cursor IDE. So in order to install OpenCode over here at the top you will see here terminal option. So you need to click on terminal, then click here new terminal. So it will open a terminal here at the bottom. Here you can see. So here, in order to install OpenCode, we need to write a command. So for it, let me just go to the browser, and in the browser, I am going to search for opencode.ai. Then press enter. So over here, you will see this npm option, and here you can see OpenCode is open source. So open source means OpenCode is completely free, and you don't have to pay anything to use OpenCode, and there is no limit of how much you can use OpenCode. So after coming to this website, you need to click on npm, then you will see a command here. So you need to copy this command, which is npm i-j opencode AI. So we'll copy this, then we're going to paste it over here. Paste the command here, then just press enter. So this command will install OpenCode in our Cursor IDE. So it will take a few seconds to install, and there you can see it is installed. So when install, in order to see the OpenCode CLI, you need to write over here OpenCode. Just write here OpenCode, then press enter. So it will open the OpenCode CLI over here, and here you can see. So this is how the OpenCode CLI looks. So here you can give any prompt, and OpenCode will create the project, write the code for you, and you will see live changes over here inside Cursor. So let's go and generate a prompt. So in order to generate a prompt, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Here we are going to give a prompt here, that is, I want to create a website for architecture company with artistic design. For the website, also make a fully functional modern admin panel using Django and SQLite. Do not use the Django default admin panel. Now write me a prompt for this. So we'll just write this inside ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write a prompt for us. So I'm going to click here, and ChatGPT will create a prompt for us. And there you can see the prompt creation is almost complete. So right now what we are going to do is that we're just going to copy the whole prompt from here. So here you can see the prompt started from here. You are a senior full stack architect and product designer. So I'm just going to copy this, and we're going to copy up until final goal, this part. So copy this. After that, we'll go to our cursor, and here you can see OpenCode. So over here, you can just paste the prompt over here. So just right click here, and the prompt will be pasted over here. So here you can use Control T for low level reasoning, then medium, and then high level reasoning. But I'm just going to keep it default. Let's just build a simple website without any low or high level reasoning. So it will be faster that way. So I'm just going to press enter, and there you can see all the prompt over here. So OpenCode will read the prompt, basically the plan, and then start creating our project over here inside Cursor, and you'll be able to see the changes inside Cursor in real time. So my cursor is white because I changed the cursor theme. That's why I think white actually looks better. You can see the text and code more clearly. So the first thing OpenCode does is that it make a plan. So it will make a to-do list first of all. Then it will start creating the folder and file structure. They can see it already made a to-do list. So it will complete each task one by one. So it will take some time. Right now, I'll just fast forward the video until all the tasks or all the to-do list is complete. So here you can see our project creation is complete, and it created the complete project in 1 hour. So right now let's go and see how it looks. So here it gives us address. So we need to copy this address. Then you need to go to your browser. then paste the address, then press enter. So here you can see, I think OpenCode is not able to run the project. So right now, let's do one thing, that is, let's just go to the project directory. Our project was this one, Cursor OpenCode, and this is the project that it created, architecture site. Let's go inside and we're going to open a command prompt here. We're going to say here cmd, then press enter. So this is a Python project, right? So in order to run the Python project, we need to run this file manage.py. So we need to say over here Python manage.py run server, then press enter, and here you can see the project is running. So let me just copy this, then here okay, it is giving us a error. So if there's an error, just copy the error and go to your cursor, and here in the open code we're going to paste the error. So control, okay, let's just close this open code and let's open it again. Let's say here open code, so it will open the open code terminal one more time, and here we're going to paste the error. Right click on the mouse, and here you can see pasted 20 line, press enter, and there you can see this is our website, and this actually looks quite solid. So there is no image because we can upload the image from the admin panel. It is showing us the log. So right now let's go and try to log into the admin panel. So I'm going to say here admin, the admin username was admin, and the password was admin123. So here you can see this is our admin panel. So if I now click, this is the dashboard. The dashboard design is quite simple. So here you can also delete or edit the project. There is also the logout option, view website option over here. You can see. So if you want to add a design over here, or if you want to add something in the admin panel, you can do it as well. So yeah, this is how you can use OpenCode inside Cursor. I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.